Free raspberry plant from the woods. How cool is that? Just putting some composted black walnut by my raspberries. Last year I brought you guys a video about limitless raspberries. Here's some of my black raspberries that I put in here. All these plants were absolutely free to me. These guys went absolutely wild, so taking some time here to clean them up, do some pruning, tying them up. But it got me thinking, why aren't these raspberries that popular? If you've never tried black raspberries, I suggest you try them. They're absolutely delicious. If you live in a region where they grow, go through a walk through the woods in the summertime, pick some and try them for yourself. The wooded areas of my property are loaded with these things. They spread super easy, and they're just about everywhere through these trees. That's how I did get my first plants, by transplanting some of these. Before you go spending money on raspberry plants, I want you to give this a shot. But before you do, make sure you check with your local wildlife codes to make sure it's legit. So you're walking through the woods and one of these guys grabs onto your leg and it hurts a lot, and then you got a lot of thorns in your leg that you got to pry out later. You take it, you follow this all the way down to the dirt, and you see this. It's like two separate plants here. You don't know where it starts and where it ends. But here's the good part right here. Now you might need gloves for this because they are kind of sharp. You take this guy. Look what happened there. What is going on here? That's the start of this plant. Why are there roots growing here? The answer is, this is how these raspberries spread. If you want free raspberry plants, this is good news to you, because once you pull this out, you can go ahead and about 8 inches up at a 45-degree angle, give it a snip, and you just got yourself a free raspberry plant. If you did this when it's still cold outside, you can take this, put it in a pot in your garage, just keep the soil moist till the thing wakes up. And if the ground is soft, you can just plant it right away. Over the course of the year, this little guy is going to grow some nice canes out of it. And then the following year, these primocanes are going to give you your fruits. So go check out those wildlife codes. Get out there, go on a nature walk, get yourself some free raspberries. Thanks for watching.